Welcome to 775 East Beard Road in Perry. This home sits on 2 acres in Morse School District and features a custom-built home with 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths in the house. There's also a 2-car attached garage, a full finished basement, 2 outbuildings, and an in-law suite and in-ground pool. As you enter this home, you're welcomed into an open concept. The living room, dining room, and kitchen all have cathedral ceilings and great natural lighting with large windows and a patio door that leads to the backyard. The kitchen features granite countertops and backsplashes, a large corner pantry, and all the appliances will stay in this home. The main bedroom suite is located on one side of the home and is good sized, has a walk-in closet and a private bathroom. On the opposite side of the home, there are 2 more good-sized bedrooms, a second full bath, and a mudroom, laundry room area with built-in countertop space and a large utility sink. The lower level is completely finished and features a great room with family room, dining space, and a second full kitchen. It has great natural lighting with 3 large daylight windows, plus a door that leads to the back fenced-in yard. The kitchen is complete with quartz countertop and beautiful hickory cabinets. In addition, the lower level has a full bath with a jetted tub and 2 rooms that were used as 4th and 5th bedrooms, but do not have windows, and they make a great workout room or home office. The exterior of this home will not disappoint. You'll find a fenced-in backyard, a 30 by 60 pole barn, which has a 15 by 60 covered lean-to area that makes a perfect poolside patio or entertainment space. The in-ground pool is gorgeous. It's heated saltwater pool ranging from 3.5 to 9 feet deep, complete with a diving board and a waterfall feature that just adds to the relaxing feeling of the space. There is also a half bath in the pole barn, which is just a few steps from the pool. There is also a 30 by 40 second outbuilding that features garage space, a laundry area, a 3rd full kitchen, a living room, bedroom space, and a fully handicapped bathroom. This is ideal for extended family or multi-generational living, or just a place for out-of-town guests to stay with their own privacy for everyone. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga with Keller Williams First. If you'd like additional information on this home or like to schedule a time to view it, please feel free to contact me by phone or text at 517-712-8009.